I'm recording this, April. That's too funny. I don't think she's ever been around a dog before. Oh,
He's never been around a cat. Read this.
Gizmo. Look at Gracie. She likes him. That's too funny. Aw, that was cute.
I got this big fluffy ball.
She's so good. I can't believe how good she is. You
He's
could
just wagging and wagging.
you could put a freaking gorilla in front of her, man, and she wouldn't care. He's excited, April. Why you come way down here?
I got a big old fluffy ball and I can't even play with it.
You know? That's not good for the camera, Gizmo. Mm-hmm. Carter would bush up so bad if I came out here. Like one swallow, he'd be gone. Gracie. 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 Up here. You retarded? Hey, Gizmo. He's like looking Gracie up and down and shit, like sizing her up.
It's like, damn, that tail's bigger than mine.
You know. Gracie's tail is as big as that old dog.
Escape this situation.
This is really cute, though. When I brought that kitten home for the weekend from the cow hospital, she hated that cat. She hated that cat. Carter hated that cat. Oh my god. That cat was insane. Gracie. Gracie. I'm over here.
Go smack him while you're on top of me.
He's cute.
She knows she's intimidating me.
She's just curious.
What, Pippi?
He's so sweet. He's such a sweet doggy.